And so I'm really excited to share this with you today. It's for educators, it's for parents, it's for students. And this reading wellness course includes video and it includes audio, training, downloadable PDFs, membership to an educators community, and a free one-on-one call with me. So when you enter the course, this is what you'll see right here. This is the course right here. So you get some progress monitoring tutorials. You get a full week of lessons that you can put your headphones on like this, or your students can put the headphones on like this and you can just do it. Or you can watch the videos, learn how to do it yourself, and then you can teach your students actually how to do it as well. There's mindfulness. There's 3 mindfulness audios that your students can put their headphones on, or you can. And then this is my favorite part, and that this is what makes this so unique and one of a kind. This is why I love this so much. I don't just want to give you this course and say goodbye. I want to walk through it with you. I want to answer your questions, to be there for your wins and your challenges, and create a space for you to support each other and cheer each other on, no matter the country or the time zone. So this is an exclusive group for teachers and to connect with each other. And with me, where I'm going to facilitate this and hold a once a week Q&A, question and answer, live with you. It's a positive and uplifting community of educators, teachers, parents, people who educate struggling readers.